Dude, this time it's going all the way up. Nice. That was fun.
Oh my gosh, it stayed there for a second.
Did you not notice that while we were on it?
It did that?
Yeah, you like sat there and just dangled like.
Are you
yeah.
serious?
Yeah.
I never noticed that.
And then you stopped. And Sarah, what was that ride?
V2.
And was it fun?
Yep.
It's off the hook. I said chain, but okay. All right. Say bye.
Bye.